Acinipo is an ancient settlement located approximately 20 kilometers northwest of Ronda. The city was founded around 206 BC by the Romans and was likely inhabited by retired legionnaires known as Caesar's veterans. The city was built at an altitude of about 1,000 meters above sea level. The plateau on which Acinipo stands offers breathtaking views of valleys and mountains. On the day we visited the ruins of the city, unfortunately it was a public holiday. Good thing we had a drone. Acinipo reached its peak during the Roman Empire, when the city gained the right to mint its own coins, as confirmed by archaeological findings. A Roman theatre carved directly into the rock, with a diameter of about 62 meters and seating capacity for 2,000 spectators. The city also features the remains of a Roman bathing complex, remnants of an elite Roman residence located near the Forum and the bathing complex, ruins of the city center and protective walls. Acinipo is an excellent addition to a visit of Ronda and the cultural treasures of Andalusia.